Good morning students, I am SK Vidyarthi, TET Computer Science in MGSS Darbhanga. And in this video I am going to discuss class 8, subject is Computer Science and Chapter 5, Let's Learn Photoshop. This is the fourth day of this chapter. In the previous class I have discussed about the introductions of the Photoshop, its components and how actually we start the Photoshop. And in this video I am going to discuss about how we are creating a new canvas. So whenever I am talking about the Photoshop components, then I have already discussed about the canvas. Canvas is the main working areas, that is the blank space where actually the photos or images there, and we can do work there. We can change the properties of that image. So that is the blank areas is the canvas. We have to create a new canvas. First of all, by default we have the canvas, and again we require a new canvas. Then we can also create a new canvas. So how actually we can create a new canvas? So we have to follow the simple steps. So step first, select the file menu. File menu is lying at the upper top left corners. File tab is there. So we have to click the file tab, and whenever suppose this is the Windows, here upper left corner, this is the file tab is there. Whenever we are clicking here, then a dialog box is coming, and in dialog box so many options is there. And one option is here, new options. So we have to click here, new options. Then a new document window appears here. And in that windows we have the following options. So name option is here. Mean to say is what would be the file name. So we have to assign the name of the file, width and height of the canvas, resolutions of that canvas, colors mode, which color we want to be the canvas, either red green modes or cyan yellow modes. Background contains which type of background we want, either lining background or white background, black background. So many options is here, and we have to select all those options according to our requirements. And after that we have to click the OK buttons. Whenever we are clicking the OK buttons, then such type of new blank canvas is appears, and after that we again do the work of the new pictures, new photos, and then we can able to change the properties of that photos by using this Photoshop. So simple process is here to create a new canvas. So how this video was, you have to write the comments. Okay, thank you.